Hi, hello, welcome back. I love you. I am Shraman Dipali Babasaheb Shinde. Today I am going to make national flag by using ice cream sticks. Let's start. After making the flag, I am going to tell you 24 spokes name of the Ashok Chakra. So keep watching till the end.
विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्याला झंडा उचाले है हमारा। ये देखो जादू का आ गया फ्लैग हवा। बटन पड़ाना पड़ेगा। Yes. विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्याला झंडा विश्व तिरंगा प्याला झंडा।
Wow, very beautifully you made this.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome. What is this?
This is our national flag.
National flag. Okay. What is the name of our national flag?
Tiranga.
Tiranga. Very nice. Tiranga. It is the symbol of our national pride. It represents our nation, the freedom and dignity. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Can you give me some answer about national flag?
Yes.
Okay, tell me first. How many colors are there in our national flag?
3 colors.
3 colors. Which are these?
Orange, white, blue.
Orange, white and green color. Okay, very nice. What is in the center of Tiranga?
Ashok Chakra.
Ashok Chakra. Very nice. What is the color of Ashok Chakra?
Blue.
Blue color. Very nice. How many spokes are there in the Ashok Chakra?
24.
Very nice. Do you know the name of each spoke?
Yes.
Can you tell me?
Yes.
Okay, start. You can tell me in your mother tongue language. Okay? Okay, start.
संयम, आरोग्य, शांती, शील, त्याग, क्षमा, सेवा, मैत्री, प्रेम, बंधुत्व, संगतन, कल्याण, अधिकार, कर्तव्य,
सहकार्य, न्याय, नीती, अर्थ, समता, नियम, व्यवस्था, सुरक्षा, उद्योग, समृद्धी.
Very nice, very nice.
Wish you all happy Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, Tata.
Take care.
Take care. See you. Bye.
The 24 spokes of the Ashok Chakra on the Indian flag represent many things, including qualities of a person, religious path and values that India uses to progress. It also known as the Wheel of Duty. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.